How do you reply to an email that you have received in your Gmail inbox? I'm just going to make use of this example. I received this email. So what you have to do is simply go to your right and click reply, and a small pop-out will occur at the bottom. And then what you have to do is to type your reply, finish the reply, and all you have to do is to click send. But before I do that, notice that sometimes when you receive an email, there are people who are copied in that email, and you have to reply to them as well. So make sure that you use the right reply. You click these three little dots there, and then you choose the right reply. If you choose the first reply, it will only reply to the main person who sent you an email. If you click reply to all, it will reply the message to everyone who was copied in the email. So let's say we click reply to all, it will include the person who was copied, as you can see here. Once you do that, you then click send, and it's done. You have replied to that person.